Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Saifullah, and I welcome you to this video. In this video, we will talk about an Excel function that is GetFormula. GetFormula shows us that which formula we have used in a specific cell. For example, we have computed the present value and net present value of a project. The cash flows are the same that we have used previously, and we will quickly calculate the present value, that is 200 divided by 1 plus interest rate and raised to power 1, and drag this formula. So the present value of cash flows is computed, and after that initial investment plus the sum of present value of cash flows, and press enter. The net present value will be computed. That's the same thing that we have used previously, but we will use an other function equal to GetFormula and select the first cell where we have computed the present value of cash flows and close the parentheses, press enter, and the formula that we have used will be displayed. Similarly, if we write here equal to GetFormula and select the cell where we have used some formula, press enter. So the formula that we have used will be displayed. GetFormula is not available in Microsoft Excel. We have to use customized macros to get the GetFormula in Microsoft Excel. To do this, we will press Alt F11. If we press Alt F11, then a VBA Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications will be opened, and here we will go into Insert, Module, and the module will be appeared. In this module, we will copy a text. We will copy here this customized code and close these windows. Close. No need to save this, and then we can use GetFormula equal to GetFormula and so this can help you in the presentation of your results, and you can find that which formula is used and from where it has taken the values to calculate these results. The code is pasted in the description of this video. You can copy this code from the description of this video, and if you have any problem or any confusion, you can contact us through the comment section of this video. That's all for the today's video. If you have any question related to finance or financial modeling, you can contact us. We will try our best to provide you best answers. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.